So now we have this year two terms, term 1 and term 2 examinations. In term 1, term 1 and term examination, it will be conducted by Cbse. Cbse will send the question paper and will be conducted in the month of November, December. Of November and December. And it will be MCQ type questions, all MCQ questions. And 40 marks paper. And 90 minutes, 1.5 hours is the duration. The month of November, December, MCQ, whether offline or online, it depends on the situation. And the weightage is chapter number 1, relations and functions. So you have chapter number 1, sets. Sets that we have done already. Here exercise, actually deleted portion is, I'll write here deleted portion. What is deleted here? Deleted is 1.5. That means complement of a set. Complement is deleted, and difference of sets. The questions on difference of sets. The questions which are based on complement and difference of two sets are deleted this year. And second chapter, chapter number 2, relations and functions. Here the deleted one is deleted portion is the Cartesian product of three sets is deleted. Question based, and sum and difference and product of quotient. Sum difference is sum difference product and quotient of functions is deleted. Sum difference is addition, multiplication, division, multiplication of the functions. Product and quotient of functions. This portion is deleted, and these both will have the weightage of 11 marks. Then chapter number whatever it is, 3 complex numbers, and then we have complex. This is not chapter number. This is, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 chapters. You can see the number from your textbook. Then we have complex numbers and quadratic equation that we have to start. And deleted portion here, it only we have deleted portion, that is to polar representation and square root of a complex number. Polar representation and square root of a complex number. This is the deleted portion. And fourth, sequence and series is that we will start later on. Sequences and series. Here, special series, which is based on these formulas, special sums, summation k square, summation k cube are deleted. The formula for a special sum, they are deleted. And these two chapters will have 13 marks. Okay. Then fifth, straight lines. Deleted portion is shifting of origin, shift of origin, and equation of family of lines through the point of intersection of two lines. Family of lines through point of intersection of lines. Intersection of two lines. Point of intersection of two lines. This is having weightage of 6 marks. Then 6 limits. Limits. There is no deletion. Full chapter we have to do. And this is having 4 marks. This whole will consist of 40 marks. This 40 marks paper. And 7th last is statistics. Having 6 marks weightage. Here it is deleted. Analysis of frequency distribution with equal means but different variance. Analysis of frequency distribution with equal means but different variances. This is all about the scheme of term 1, and some chapters are totally deleted. So totally deleted chapters this year from your syllabus are number 1, although you should study because for competitive exams some chapters are very important like binomial theorem. So binomial theorem is totally deleted. Second chapter is principle of mathematical induction, and third is mathematical reasoning. It's very small chapter. Mathematical, last chapter, mathematical reasoning. These 3 chapters are totally deleted. Now you have a problem that you don't have, means you were not appeared in unit test 1. We were not having the time to conduct the unit test 1. So you will have the unit test 1. That will be in the month of September. Unit test 1 will be conducted in the month of September. Any date will be announced. So in the month of September, you have to appear for unit test, and this will be MCQ, unit test 1 MCQ, marks question paper, and duration is 40 minutes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर ये यूनिट टेस्ट का एस्टिमेट रफ बता सकते हैं फर्स्ट हाफ सितंबर में सेकंड हाफ मतलब कब अराउंड होगा
That now I cannot tell you. I'll tell you once I will get it. I will tell you. Okay.
Okay,
The
sir.
portion is sets. Very easy portion. You can prepare. Already you have prepared sets and relations and functions.
सर कुछ टीचर्स कह रहे थे कि यूनिट टेस्ट होगा ही नहीं या होगा
No, no. होगा.
होगा
यूनिट टेस्ट 1 मैथ्स में तो होगा, हमें नहीं मालूम और सब्जेक्ट. यूनिट टेस्ट 1 होगा सितंबर में, और यूनिट टेस्ट 1 ये हो गया. उसके बाद then you will have unit test 2. Unit test 2 that will be with other classes, that is from 3rd October to 3rd to 9th October, and this will be again MCQ, 20 marks. MCQ can be case study based questions and assertion reasons. 40 minutes. Same. And its portion is complex numbers that we have to complete. Complex numbers and second sequences and series. Okay. And unit test 3. Unit test 3 will be conducted between 9th to 16th January. 9th to 16th January. And it will be subjective. Will be subjective questions. And same subjective 20 marks and 40 minutes. 20 marks, 40 minutes. Okay. 20 marks and 40 minutes duration. 9 to 16 January and portion we have decided trigonometric functions. Number 1, trigonometric functions. Number 2, permutation and combinations. Permutations and combinations. And number 3, linear inequalities. Linear inequalities. Okay, this is unit means term 1, and term 2, trigonometric functions.
सर एक बार पीछे वाली स्लाइड दिखा सकते हैं?
Term 2, trigonometric functions. Okay,
एक सेकंड सर बस.
screenshot you can take. Later on you can see the recording also.
Okay sir.
Trigonometric functions we have done already, and it will have 8 marks. And deleted portion is general solution of trigonometric equations. Particular solution we have done general solution of trigonometric equations. Okay, that is sine alpha of type like sine theta is equal to sine alpha, cos theta is equal to cos alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha, tan theta is equal to tan alpha. Some things we have to study for our means which are related to class 12th, but it is not ours in the examination. So I will suggest you to study everything. Linear inequalities. This is also done. I think it was, work. We have done it. This is also we have done it. Nothing is deleted. No deletion. Huh? This chapter there is no part which is deleted. Third, we have permutations and combinations. Permutations and combinations. Here derivation is deleted. So derivation of to drive NPR and NCR. NPR and NCR, combination and permutation both. This is deleted, and these two lessons will have a weightage of 11 marks. Then conic sections. Conic section deleted part is if a point is straight line and a pair of intersecting lines as a degenerator case of a conic section. So this I will Send you what is deleted. And fifth is 3D. That also we have done. So fourth and fifth chapter together will have 9 marks. And in 3D, no deletion. Then derivatives. Derivatives, no deletion. Six marks. Seventh, probability. Having 6 marks weightage. Here deleted portion is axiomatic probability connections with other theories of earlier classes. Axiometric probability connected with the other theories of earlier classes. This is the deleted portion. This is all about term 2. So term after term 2, you will have final annual exam. So annual exam means Gulf Saudi exam. All this and term and examination will be conducted by Gulf Saudi. I mean Cbse means Gulf Saudi. For 11th class, we have Gulf Saudi Council. So that is just like Cbse only. So it is the part of a Cbse. They have made the different groups according to region. They are making the question papers and sending to us. So annual exam will be subjective type now. The final exam will be subjective, and it will have again 40 marks. 40 marks subjective type, 40 marks. Duration will be 2 hours and may be held in the month of March, April. March, April. That was in November, December. Yeah, November, December. This is in March, April. Subjective type questions. Question paper. 40 marks, 2 hours. An annual plan, August, we will do complex numbers. September, quadratic equation and sequence and series. October, straight lines and limits. November, statistics. December, permutation, combination and probability. January, conic sections and derivative. So that annual plan I will send you separately on your WhatsApp group. Okay. So this is all about our marking scheme this year. If you have a doubt, you can ask. As per our annual plan, Now we will start the complex numbers. In August, we will do complex number. And quadratic equations. September, actually quadratic equation will be September. August I will complete quadratic equation plus sequence and series. October, straight lines and limits. Straight line plus limits. November, statistics. December, permutation, combination, permutation and combinations plus probability. And January, we will do conic sections plus derivative. January, you will try to complete your syllabus so that February you will have 3 boards and March you will have final exam. Internal assessment for term 1. Term 1 will have 10 marks. Term 2 will also have 10 marks. Same, it will be same term 1 and term 2. It is divided into 2 parts. One is periodic test 1, test 2, test 3. So in first term test 1, from test 1 we will take 5 marks converted into the 5 marks. And second most important thing is this year they have introduced, not this year, before also, but this year we have to conduct a final activity. Maths activity was formative assessment, but here also, but we have to conduct activity file reports. So this maths activity is divided into 2 parts. Number 1, 3 marks, total maths activity 5 marks. Out of that 5 marks, 3 marks is for activity file record. That I am telling you again and again. You have to make the file, activity file record. That 4 activities I sent you. That 4 activities you have to do properly. Cutting, pasting should be done. Some practical things should be done. And at the end of the term, we will conduct one exam from these activities. So term and assessment of one activity. There will be term and for 2 marks. Assessment of one activity. And viva voice. Like in practical science, here mathematics also you will have one practical exam. That in that exam you have to perform one activity and the viva will be in some questions on that activity based questions will be asked orally, that will have 2 marks. So this 3 plus 2 will have 5 marks. So that's why I'm telling you activity file. If you are not getting activity file, you can find one file, one side plain and one side lining.